Hi and welcome again. Today I'll be showing you how to check secret codes on your Samsung Galaxy devices. First code I'll be showing you how to check is your IMEI number. Alright, so there you're able to check your IMEI number and also your serial number of your device as well. Alright, next code I'll be showing is how to check your USB settings for your device. And these codes are 100% safe to use on your device. So there you're able to see your USB settings of your phone. The next code I'm going to be giving you is the test mode code, and these you're able to check different things on your phone to see if you're working properly. Alright, as you can see now you have different indicators: red, green, receive a vibration. So you can just go ahead and click any one of these to see if the device is working properly. I'll be trying my LED indicators. I'll be pressing on my LED. As you can see, my lights turn red, green as well. So then I'm able to see that that is working properly as well. So these are just some secret codes that you can use to check your device. I will also be doing the battery status of the phone as well. With this you're able to check if your battery is good or it needs to replace soon. I'll be giving you that code now. So there you're able to see the battery and the percentage. So you see I have 5 blocks, so you know that this battery is in good order. As you can see, this battery is very good, so do not need to replace anytime soon. Alright, there also another way in which if you could check your software version also that is installed on your device as well. So this you're able to check your software version that is installed on your device. I left out the tool from here. Alright, so there you're able to see the software version that is installed on your device, your smartphone as well. Also, you can also check the service mode of your phone as well. I'll be giving you that now. Alright, so this shows you the service mode of your device as well. IMEI OK. So these are just a few of the codes, secret codes that you can use to check your device. I'll be leaving a few of the codes in the description, so you can just go ahead and check out these codes to see if your device is working properly. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.